There are moments when you feel alone, even in the middle of many people. Moments where your heart is heavy and you quietly ask, Lord, where are you? In today's gospel, two disciples were walking to Emmaus. They were sad, confused, and afraid. They thought everything was over. But while they were walking, Jesus came near and walked with them. Yet they did not recognize him. My dear friends, this is also our story. There are times we do not feel God. We think He is far away. But the truth is, He is already beside us, walking with us in our pain, listening to our struggles, staying with us in silence. And just like the disciples, they recognized Jesus in the breaking of the bread. That is why every Mass is so important, because there, Jesus reveals himself again. So today, do not lose hope. You are not walking alone. Even now, Jesus is with you. Amen.